Hey guys, it's me, Veronica, and I'm back with another video. This is going to be an unboxing of Jujubee's latest release of, they came out with a few prints. They have the Sakura at Dusk, I believe that's how you pronounce it, the Whimsical Whispers, Butterfly Forest, and some new bags from the Ever collection. But I just purchased another mini helix. In the last video, I did say that I wanted a mini helix for myself, so this one is for me. So let's get right into it. This is going to be a really quick video. Again, I purchased this from Laura's Little Boutique. I love ordering from them. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this open. That is my packing information. Let's see the print on this. Aww. Kind of disappointed. I don't have no pretty flowers in the front. It's in the bag though. Let's see. Well, it's kind of cute. I mean, I wish this was in the front, you know? Like, I have pieces of flowers and then the leaves, and I have that in. I am so unimpressed with this print placement, guys. I'm just gonna be 100% honest. I love the mini helix, but I'm not crazy about this print placement. I actually love the interior of this. I love that. I think it's the same as the interior. Yeah, it's the same for the Legacy collection, but I was just hoping that I had at least, you know, one full flower in the front, and I don't. But it's cute. So this is mine. You know, the last video I bought a mini helix and, you know, gave it to my daughters, but I guess you can't win them all. I'm so, like, kind of disappointed. Maybe if this was in the front, I think I'd be happy. But let's go over the mini helix if you are interested in getting one. They still have these available. They have a little mini pocket in the front with a mesh pocket. They have this pocket right here, and they have that and a mesh pocket inside as well. And in the back, and I'm sorry for this weird angle, this is the only table that I'm able to film on at the moment. And then they have the pocket in the back. That's my mini helix. I'm not gonna go buy another one just for a print placement, so I'm just gonna have to grit and bear it. Well, that's my video. So that's all I ordered from this past collection. I do have a Whimsical watercolor Be Light, but I haven't worn it in such a long time. I feel like it's more like of a spring print for me, so I'll pull it out when, you know, spring comes. I've really been loving my Olive Rose, so that's what I've been wearing recently. And I know that's not like winterish, but, and I have a couple of more items coming, but not from this newest release. This is like items that I found on Amazon for really good prices. So I'll probably do a video when I get those items, because I got them for really good prices, girls. Really good prices. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm kind of disappointed, but whatever. I'm glad I have my own mini helix now. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. You guys enjoy your weekend, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.